how to create rooms from WhatsApp app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a room for your WhatsApp. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, first of all, what you need to do here is very pretty simple. You just need to go to your Play Store, and then here you have to search for WhatsApp. So after searching for WhatsApp, you have to update your WhatsApp. So here, after updating your WhatsApp, what you need to do guys, just simply go to your WhatsApp, and then here you can see to create the room you have to simply click on this option you can see here. So let me just click here, and then here you will find an option room you can see here. So what you need to do here, simply click on the room option and then click continue in Messenger. So after clicking to continue in Messenger, it will redirect on this page. And now here what you have to do, simply you need to click on create rooms as this name. So let me just click here, and then let me just show you. You can see here this type of interface will be a comes up, and you have to click on send link on WhatsApp. Click on send link on WhatsApp, and then you can go for WhatsApp. You can click on WhatsApp and you can send the link, and then your room has been created. So guys, in this way, if you want to end the room, you have to just simply click on this end room option on the top left and click on end room. Your room has been ending, you can see here guys. So in this way you can create your WhatsApp room on WhatsApp application. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.